Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be again showing you another range of numbers used for subtraction practice of combination formulas. Okay, so the first range I hope you have already seen, in which I had explained the procedure for subtraction of numbers from 66 to 70 from a starting number of 900. In this particular video, I'll be showing you subtraction of all numbers from 72 to 80. Okay, so 72, 73, 74 like this will go up to 80, and with the starting number this time we'll be taking as 1 2 3 4, that is 1234. So I'll take 1 2 3 4 on the abacus, and we'll start with the subtraction of 72. So on the tens place I need to subtract 7, so the formula is plus 3 minus 10. For plus 3, I will be using the small friend formula of plus 3, which is plus 5 minus 2, and then minus 10 on the next left rod to finish the subtraction of 7 on the tens place. Coming to the units place, I need to subtract 2, which can be done directly. Okay, next number is subtraction of 73. For tens place, I need to use plus 3 minus 10 formula, which can be used straight away. So plus 3 minus 10, and on the 10 units place, I need to subtract 3, for which the formula to be used is plus 7 minus 10. So plus 7 minus 10. So 73 is done. Next number to be subtracted is 74. So tens place, I need to subtract 7, which can be done directly. Okay, and on the units place also 4 can be subtracted directly. So 74 is also done. The next number to be subtracted is 75. So for tens place subtraction of 7, I can add 3 here. Okay, plus 3 is done. For minus 10 on the next left rod, I'll have to use the big friend formula of minus 1, which is plus 9 minus 10. Okay, so tens place subtraction of 7 is done. On the units place, I need to subtract 5, which can be done directly. The next number to be subtracted is 76. For subtraction of 7 on the tens place, plus 3 will have to be done using the small friend formula. So plus 3 and minus 10 on the next left rod. Coming to the units place, I need to subtract 6 here. So which can be done using plus 4 minus 10. Okay, the next number to be subtracted is 77. So 7 on both these rods. So starting with tens place, the subtraction of 7 can be done using plus 3 minus 10 straight away. On the units place, for the subtraction of 7, I will have to use the combination formula, which is plus 3 using the small friend, plus 3 and minus 10 on the next left rod. So 77 subtraction is done. The next number to be subtracted is 78. So 70 can be subtracted directly here, and for subtraction of 8 on the units place, I can use the big friend formula, which is plus 2 minus 10. So subtraction of 78 is done. The next number to be subtracted is 79. For subtraction of 7 here, plus 3 minus 10, or for 9 on the units place can be done directly. The last number to be subtracted is 80. So for subtraction of 8 on the tens place, I will have to use the combination formula for minus 8. That is, big friend formula of 8 is 2. So plus 2 minus 10 is our regular formula, but we don't have 2 bits available here. So I'll add the 2 using the small friend formula, which is plus 5 minus 3, and then subtract 10 on the next left rod. So subtraction of 8 on the tens place, that is 80, is done. The final answer that we have after subtracting all numbers from 72 to 80 from starting number of 1234, the answer left with us on the abacus is 550. Okay, so I hope this procedure for subtraction of the numbers like 72 to 80 is also now very clear with all of you. Please do practice it. A lot of practice is very essential to gain confidence and speed. I would suggest that the students should watch videos like these once or twice, and then practice it on their own on their abacus at least a couple of times.